EXT01 Tomahawk. The Hogue EXT01 Tomahawk is a brilliant fusion of tactical ingenuity and rugged craftsmanship, designed for adventurers who demand versatility in extreme conditions. Made with an S7 steel head that resists wear and tear, this Tomahawk delivers precision and power, whether you're chopping wood, breaching doors, or crafting tools in the wild. Its lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum handle offers unparalleled balance, ensuring you can swing with accuracy and less fatigue. Compact and portable, it's perfect for backpackers or survivalists needing a reliable tool without added bulk. What sets the EXT01 apart is its attention to detail, from the ergonomic grip to the integrated pry bar, making it a multifunctional workhorse. The Tomahawk's innovative design includes a removable head, simplifying maintenance and giving you added versatility for various tasks. Whether you're in the wilderness or navigating urban survival, this tool feels more like an extension of your hand than just another piece of gear. Durable, versatile, and tactical, it's a must-have for any serious adventurer. Vssl Field Guide Beeswax Candle. The Vssl Field Guide with Beeswax Candle redefines survival kits with its sleek, compact, and all-in-one design tailored for adventurers who value practicality without compromise. Built into a rugged aluminum tube, this survival guide combines essential tools like a compass and a gear organizer with a beeswax candle that doubles as an emergency light source or fire starter. The beeswax construction ensures a clean burn for up to 4 hours, making it invaluable during power outages or cold nights in the wild. Its compact size makes it easy to stow in any bag while offering an impressive range of utilities. What truly makes the Vssl Field Guide shine is its balance of function and elegance. From illuminating your path to signaling for help, it integrates survival essentials into a portable, weather-resistant form. Unlike bulkier kits, it streamlines survival with organized compartments and clear instructions. Whether you're setting out on a weekend hike or preparing for unforeseen emergencies, this gadget encapsulates everything you might need in a compact and thoughtfully designed package. Gerber Versafix Fixed Blade Machete Hybrid. The Gerber Versafix is the ultimate hybrid between a machete and a fixed blade knife, offering the best of both worlds for survival enthusiasts. Its robust high-carbon steel blade is perfect for chopping, slicing, and clearing brush, while the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for extended use. The curved blade design maximizes cutting power, making it an indispensable tool for tackling heavy-duty tasks in the wild. Whether you're blazing trails, carving wood, or preparing kindling, the Versafix feels strong and reliable in hand. Gerber's attention to detail elevates this tool into a survivalist dream. Its full-tang construction ensures durability, while the included sheath offers safe and convenient carrying. What makes the Versafix truly special is its unique weight-forward design, which enhances momentum during swings, giving you greater efficiency for each stroke. Compact enough to carry on any adventure, and versatile enough to handle nearly any task, this hybrid machete is your go-to companion for rugged terrain and emergency situations alike. Proamp Fire Strip Roll. The Proamp Fire Strip Roll is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify fire starting in survival situations. This lightweight, compact roll is crafted from a specialized wax-infused material that lights up easily with just a spark, even in damp or windy conditions. The roll can be cut into small strips, giving you multiple uses from a single roll. And it burns hot and steady, ensuring you can quickly ignite a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling. Unlike traditional fire starting methods, the fire strip roll is waterproof, mess-free, and perfect for packing in a survival kit or backpack. Its real magic lies in its versatility and reliability. Whether you're dealing with rain-soaked wood or high-altitude challenges, this roll ignites consistently and burns long enough to get larger logs blazing. It's an ideal backup for emergency scenarios or a convenient tool for camping and hiking trips. With the Proamp fire strip roll, fire building becomes less of a struggle and more of a dependable skill, giving you peace of mind in the most unpredictable environments. Dnis X1 exoskeleton. The Dnis X1 exoskeleton is an engineering marvel that brings the concept of superhuman strength and endurance to life. Designed to augment your physical capabilities, this wearable exoskeleton uses advanced robotics to reduce strain on your muscles and joints. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, climbing steep inclines, or performing labor-intensive tasks, the X1 provides unparalleled support by distributing weight and enhancing your natural movements. It's lightweight yet powerful, making it a game changer for both adventurers and professionals working in challenging environments. What truly sets the Dnis X1 apart is its intuitive design and adaptive functionality. The exoskeleton moves seamlessly with your body, responding to your motions in real time, so it feels like an extension of yourself rather than an external device. Its rechargeable battery system ensures hours of uninterrupted use, and the durable construction makes it ready for rugged terrains and extreme conditions. Whether you're exploring remote wilderness or engaging in disaster response, the X1 unleashes your potential and redefines what's physically possible. Shine 2.0. Fast charge your tech with wind. The Shine 2.0 wind charger brings innovation to off-grid energy solutions, allowing you to power your devices anywhere the wind blows. This portable wind turbine is compact enough to fit in a backpack, yet powerful enough to fast charge your tech, including smartphones, tablets, and small devices. Designed for efficiency, the Shine 2.0 can generate power even with light breezes and comes with a built-in battery to store energy for later use. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness when access to conventional power is unavailable. What makes the Shine 2.0 so impressive is its simplicity and adaptability. The setup takes only minutes, and its lightweight build ensures it won't add unnecessary bulk to your gear. Durable and weather-resistant, it's built to withstand outdoor challenges while consistently delivering clean, renewable energy. For adventurers seeking a sustainable way to stay connected or preppers planning for the unexpected, the Shine 2.0 is a revolutionary addition to the survival tech arsenal. Paracord Survival Bracelet. The Paracord Survival Bracelet is a discreet yet indispensable tool that keeps critical survival gear always within reach. Woven from high-strength 550 paracord, this bracelet can be unraveled to provide several feet of durable cordage, useful for tasks like building shelter, setting traps, or securing gear. Many survival bracelets also come equipped with additional features like a built-in compass, fire starter, and emergency whistle, making it a multi-purpose tool disguised as a simple accessory. Lightweight and comfortable, it's a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. The brilliance of the Paracord Survival Bracelet lies in its compact design and versatility. Whether you're trekking through dense forests or facing an unexpected emergency, having essential tools literally at hand can be a lifesaver. The Paracord itself is robust enough for heavy-duty tasks, while the additional features enhance its utility in diverse scenarios. Practical, stylish, and incredibly functional, this bracelet proves that survival gear doesn't have to be bulky to be effective. The Sargent Folding Handsaw is a compact and powerful tool designed to tackle tough cutting tasks in the wild. Featuring a durable, razor-sharp blade crafted from high-carbon steel, this saw can effortlessly slice through branches, firewood, and even dense undergrowth. Its foldable design and ergonomic handle make it easy to carry and comfortable to use, ensuring efficiency and convenience during extended outdoor adventures. The included carrying case keeps it secure and protected, making it an excellent addition to your camping or survival gear. This handsaw excels in versatility, whether you're building a shelter, preparing a campfire, or clearing a trail. Its locking mechanism ensures safety and stability during use, while the blade's precision teeth make every cut smooth and precise. Compact enough to fit into a backpack, yet robust enough for demanding tasks, the Sergeant Folding Handsaw is a reliable companion for campers, hikers, and preppers looking to pack light without sacrificing utility. Everbrite 350 lumen rechargeable headlamp. The Everbrite 350 lumen headlamp is the ultimate lighting solution for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a powerful yet lightweight design tailored for any adventure. Boasting 7 adjustable modes, this rechargeable headlamp provides a customizable lighting experience, from a focused spotlight to a wide floodlight, catering to various activities like hiking, night fishing, or emergency repairs. Its bright 350 lumen output ensures superior visibility, while the USB rechargeable battery eliminates the hassle of disposable batteries. Designed with an adjustable strap and tilt functionality, it ensures a secure and comfortable fit for prolonged use. What sets the Everbrite headlamp apart is its durability and weather resistance, making it reliable in rain or rugged conditions. The intuitive controls allow seamless switching between modes, including a red light feature for preserving night vision. Compact and energy efficient, it's a practical and eco-friendly solution for anyone needing hands-free lighting. Whether you're navigating a dark trail or preparing for power outages, this headlamp delivers unmatched convenience and reliability. Etrol Hummingbird Camping Hammock. The Etrol Hummingbird Camping Hammock combines lightweight comfort with practical design, making it a must-have for any outdoor escapade. Made from durable, breathable parachute nylon, this hammock is built to withstand the elements while keeping you cozy and supported. Its quick setup system includes sturdy straps and carabiners, allowing you to relax in minutes, whether you're camping, hiking, or lounging in your backyard. With a weight capacity suitable for 2 people, it's perfect for solo adventurers or those seeking shared outdoor relaxation. The true standout feature of the Hummingbird hammock is its integrated mosquito net, ensuring you stay protected from pesky insects while enjoying the great outdoors. The compact, portable design folds neatly into its attached stuff sack, making it easy to carry without taking up precious backpack space. Combining functionality, durability, and comfort, the Etrol Hummingbird is the ideal way to elevate your outdoor experience, literally. Beavercraft Bushcraft Knife BSH4F. The Beavercraft Bushcraft Knife BSH4F is a high-performance tool tailored for wilderness survival and crafting enthusiasts. Its razor-sharp, high-carbon steel blade delivers excellent edge retention and precision, making it perfect for carving, feathering, or preparing food in the wild. The ergonomic oak wood handle ensures a comfortable grip for prolonged use, combining practicality with a timeless aesthetic. This full-tang knife is designed for rugged durability, capable of withstanding heavy use while maintaining exceptional functionality. What makes the BSH4F truly exceptional is its versatility. Whether you're a seasoned bushcrafter or a beginner, this knife adapts seamlessly to a variety of tasks, from intricate woodwork to heavy-duty cutting. The included leather sheath provides secure and stylish storage, making it easy to carry on your belt or in your pack. With its blend of craftsmanship, durability, and reliability, the Beavercraft Bushcraft Knife is a tool you'll rely on for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest outdoor gear reviews. Stay adventurous, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next one.